Hi, in this quick tip tutorial, I will show you how to fix the error, illegal character in path at index 51 in portfolio performance. They tried to fix the issue many times. If you still run into the issue, watch the video to the end. I am on Windows. I use the portable version and I frequently ran into this problem. Download the free software and unpack it then. Sooner or later, you might run into the same issue. In my case, I noticed it happened always when changing the language of the user interface. I sometimes got an error code at index 49. I am not sure what causes the issue. I checked the files but could not find anything. No illegal character. So the solution, or better said the workaround in case, was to copy the program folder somewhere else. Make sure to use a very short path. Once moved, go back to settings and change the language again. I switch back to English. Apply, then close the application. Restart portfolio performance. As you can see, this setting has been applied. The user interface is back to English now. Changing any setting does no longer provoke the error message. Error saving INI file. Illegal character in path at index 51. So what is causing the issue? I don't know and I don't care. The main developer is using Linux as his main operating system. So another workaround would be to switch to Linux. Ha ha ha. So if you want to switch to Linux, watch my video. What makes Linux better than Windows?
Just kidding.